Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is US Navy's Helios laser weapon. The US Navy successfully tested the high-energy laser with integrated optical dazzler and surveillance aboard the USS Preble in 2024. Developed by Lockheed Martin, Helios represents significant progress in directed energy weapons aimed at neutralizing threats like drones, fast attack boats, and missiles. The system is part of a broader initiative by the US Navy to develop directed energy weapons alongside projects like ODIN, that is Optical Dazzling Interdictor Navy, and HELCAP, that is High Energy Laser Counter Anti-Ship Cruise Missile Project. The system is being tested and integrated into naval defense, showcasing its potential in the Indo-Pacific region for countering emerging aerial threats. Before we proceed, we have an announcement to make. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce new batches of IASGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. Classes for English medium are starting from 17th February, and for Hindi medium, the classes are starting from 21st February. For more information, call 87501-87501. Let's look into the capabilities of Helios. Helios operates at over 60 kilowatts with plans to upgrade to 120 to 150 kilowatts, allowing for both hard kill, that is destruction, and soft kill, that is disruption of electronics. It can neutralize targets like drones by heating and combusting their materials, making it a silent, invisible weapon with precision. Helios is integrated into the Aegis combat system, enhancing the ship's overall defense capabilities and offering a low-cost, speed-of-light alternative to missile interceptors. Let's discuss the challenges faced by Helios. High-energy lasers like Helios face challenges in power supply and energy requirements as they need substantial onboard resources. Environmental conditions such as fog and wind can impact laser effectiveness, making system reliability a critical concern. Integration with existing defense systems pose challenges requiring seamless compatibility for full operational effectiveness. Now it's time to test your knowledge. The question is, what power range is the Helios system capable of operating at? 60 to 100 kilowatts, 30 to 50 kilowatts, 120 to 150 kilowatts, or 300 to 350 kilowatts? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.